Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Back in my grandparents' garage, and today is going to be a special video because we're going to be doing a balance test on these doors, and also we're going to be running these disconnected. But I'm going to close the big door. Let me just open this. So I'm gonna let's close this. I have this opened. This thing is still really noisy. So we're gonna lift the big one first and then the little one. I can now reach the cord. Lift it. That's the chain dragging on the trolley. We'll run this disconnected.
Passion fruit. I'll take any of those. They're fine.
Very quiet.
It's not doing the strawberry.
This thing's pretty quiet, disconnected. Making a video, please don't interrupt. Very quiet. We'll reconnect it and we'll open it. All right, we'll do the small door. Shoot. All right. Also is balanced. This one's heavier. Yeah, gonna need to rebalance this one. I'll run this one without the door. This one's a little bit louder. And back down. It's way louder when it's going down. Chain rattles. Yeah, smaller is gonna need to be balanced, but hey, this thing is durable at least. We'll run this. Yeah, this door's gonna need to be balanced. Hopefully when I get the new spring or the new springs. Very quiet. We'll close it, and then that'll pretty much do it for this video. Very noisy. The door's quiet, but the opener's loud. I'm probably gonna lubricate this door a bit more. But yeah. So yeah, this... I don't know if this is a 9x8. It looks more like a 9x7 3/4. And then this one's probably a 16x7 1/4. I don't know. I do not know. I don't own this house. But yeah. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.